Good evening, everyone. I'm teacher Rebecca. Today I'm going to teach you a little bit about Cambridge science. All right. Um, let's share optimize. Okay. But I should.
In a world so wide, they drift away but never hide. Roots so deep yet free they grow. In their softness, strength will show.
Okay, so guys, did you hear something? Did you hear something when I shared the songs to you? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Today I'm gonna tell you the topic that are linking with the songs. All right. All right, so I'm gonna show the screen again. Okay. Okay, guys, before I start my class, how do you think about songs? And which body parts are we using to hear the songs? Great job. Yeah, ear. We use our ear to hear the songs. Very good. Yeah, it's good answer. Uh-huh. Yeah. Sound is everywhere around us and it travels through the into our ears, letting know what is happening. Mm-hmm. All right. So to explore what it sounds, so I want you to use your index fingers and middle fingers to put under your to put on the throat of your body. Mm-hmm. And then trying to speak something like good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, maybe something. Yeah. Mm-hmm. How do you feel when you put two of or one of your index fingers and one of your middle finger? Yes, great job. It's vibrating. Yeah, it's vibrating. So sounds has make one object it's vibrate. Okay, this means that they move back and forth very quickly at the time it make the songs. Yeah, it make the sounds. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna let's go to next part. Um, yeah. Can you see my slide? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Where do some come from and some sources? Today we are going to explore what are some sources. What about now? I'm speaking to you and can you hear the sound from me? Yeah. So how do you about me? Am I some source or not? I'm gonna sing Pretty Little Baby. Yeah, I'm some source and I will clap here. Yeah, I'm the sound source. Yeah. And also, what about the animals? What about the animal like the cats purring and then the dog barking and the bird crisping? Yes, they are all sounds. Mm-hmm. What about the instruments like playing the guitar, dun 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 dun, and also beating the drum, and also playing the maracas and flute whistle. Yeah, yes, of course. They all are also sounds because when the things it's moving, it's the vibrating is happening at the time we can hear the sound. Yes. Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, let's go to next part. All right. So to be more conspicuous about the sound, so we are going to make pretty good experiment. So I want you to take something that I put in front of you. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. You have a bottle, right? Yesterday I told you to prepare the bottle, the water bottle, and then some right six, right? Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to put the right seed into the plastic bottle. Mm-hmm. All right. Another twist of the lip. Okay. And after finish putting the right seed, you can shake it. Yeah. Did you hear the sounds? Yeah. Yeah. We are making right shaker, and also I already told you once the sounds are made when we move the objects. Oh, sorry, when the object is moved. Yeah. Okay, and also we can also try with another way. You can also take that teaspoon from your mommy kitchen and then you can hit to the table and it make that sound dun 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 like that. And also you can hold your teaspoon, teaspoon, and also you can also hit to the like book. Yeah, and you can hear the different sounds. Yeah. And like when you have a time, you can also play the like guitar by you can also like make the craft guitar by your own, like by using the rubber band with some box. Okay. And let's go to next part because we finished exploring with unreal objects to the sound source. Right, let's go to the next one. All right. And like for this part is about like you have to explore about loud sound and soft sound and high sound and low sound. They are four different sounds. Yeah. All right. Um so for now, like who want to be volunteer to tell about loud sounds? So how do you think about loud sounds? Okay. If you can't like tell, if you can tell from through your microphone, you can like type it from the chat. Yeah, the lion make the loud sound. Oh, okay, yeah. Uh-huh. But I just want to know the definitions of what is loud sound and what is soft sounds, and also high sound and low sound. All right, I got it. Yeah, yeah, great job. You guys are correct. Like loud sound are high volume sounds, and soft sound is low volume sound. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, loud sound for the loud sound, like we can we can hear loud sound very well. And like for the soft sound, we cannot hear very well. We have to listen very carefully if we want to hear that soft sound. Okay, what about doing like that? Let's clap our hand loudly. Yeah, yeah. And also this side, let's clap our hands softly. See? Is it really difficult to hear from our ear, right? Yeah, that's it. All right. What about high sound and low sounds? It's pretty simple. Like high sounds are produce one the like high sound and produce one that things it's one that things or objects move rapidly. It is high sounds and low sounds. Like for the low sounds are produce one that things or object move slowly. It is low sounds. Okay. And to be more differentiated about like loud sound, soft sound, high sound, and low sounds, like let's play some game about it. All right. I'm gonna faster or let's play some game about loud sound and soft sound. This time you guys have to like guess which is loud sound and which is soft sounds.
Listen to each sound to determine if it's a loud sound or a soft sound.
Are you ready to guess? Okay, so how do you do about the sound? Is it loud or like soft? Yes, correct. It's loud. And let's go to the next one. Okay, now you can guess, is it loud or soft? Okay. Let's see the answer here. Yeah, pretty good. Is it soft sound? Okay. And we can guess more and more about like loud sound and soft sound through the video. And now we're going to go to high and low sound, which is high and which is low. Let's guess together. All right. Before we got something, like you can see some of the gesture to the video.
In this video, you will listen to a sound, and it is your job to decide if it is high or low.
You have to raise your hand up.
If you hear a high sound like this, raise your hands up way in the air.
Wait.
If you hear a low sound like this,
you have to like
put your
your
hands
hand
on the
down.
floor or touch
Yeah.
your toes. Ready? Let's get started. Here
You guys
is your
have to
first
get
sound.
this.
Let's listen to that one more time. Was that sound high or low?
Okay, high to low. Okay.
Are your hands in the air? Because that sound was high.
Yeah, it's high. So you guys correct.
Get ready for another sound.
Like that.
Is this sound high or low? That sound was low.
You guys correct, guys.
Keep it up.
Okay, so we can play more and more about the games through the videos. Okay, I think you guys got this part. And like one you can like differentiate about like loud sounds, soft sounds, high sound and low sounds. Let's go to next part. Next part is about like exploring to your environment. You guys have to like tomorrow you guys have to go around your city, like go around your countryside, and you guys have to like make the surveys by listening to the sounds. Yeah. All right. So for now, like what we learn about songs? Yeah, number one is sorry, I have to maximize. Oh, I forgot that. Okay. Sorry. Like songs from vibration, we learned that the sound is created when the things is vibrate. And also we finished learning about the sound source from every wall. And like we can describe like which is like loud, soft, high, and low. We can describe everything, right? Mm-hmm. Um, okay. So before I start my class today, like before I call up today, I want you to make like a detective for an activity. Okay, I guess you guys will know what's the meaning for detective. Detective means like a person who can find the clue as much as you can. But you guys are not like real detective. You guys, I'm sorry, you guys are detective, but very special detective for songs. Okay, song detective, which means you have to go and find about the songs. Okay, I think that this time I want you to write down some of the notes. Uh-huh. Okay, you guys are some detective right now, so you should have some mission, right? Okay, your missions. You have three missions for this time. The first one is you have to find here. Wait. Okay. Here you have to find three sound sources. Like which can be at your house, which can be outside, and which can be from the like. Mm, from your neighbor house, maybe in somewhere, but that song, so it's not very difficult to find it, right? So search your home for three different things that make songs. Okay. And the second one is draw you find. Draw a picture each of your sound sources. You have to draw one picture each of your sound sources. And the last one is you have to describe the songs. Describe. All right, describe. You must tell like for each sound, right? Or say like if it is loud or so high or low, you have to describe like this sound like for the cat purring, like you must say is that loud, soft, high and low, high or low. And also the dog barking, you guys have to write down is it loud or soft or high or low. You guys have to note down everything. Write down. You guys have to describe the sound. All right. So do you want to be sound detective? All right. All right. So after you finish your homework, I want you to sound in the group chat. Okay, that's all for today, and thank you guys. Bye bye.